Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Rocket League on your laptop. First, let's ensure your laptop meets the game's minimum system requirements. Check your processor, RAM, and graphics card against the recommended specifications. Also, make sure you have enough free storage space, typically around 20 gigabytes, and that your operating system is fully updated for the best performance. This preparation is crucial for a smooth gaming experience. Now, let's get Rocket League installed. Begin by downloading the Epic Games Launcher from their official website. Once installed, open the launcher and create an account or login. Then, use the search bar to find Rocket League in the store. Click to add it to your library and start the download. The installation process will begin automatically once the download is complete. With the game installed, it's time to set up your controls and optimize settings. While you can use a keyboard, a controller offers a more intuitive experience. Connect your preferred game controller, like an Xbox or PlayStation controller, via USB or Bluetooth. Then, dive into the in-game settings to adjust video quality for smooth gameplay and customize your control bindings to match your personal playstyle. This makes a big difference. You're almost ready to hit the field. Start by completing the in-game tutorial, which teaches you the basic mechanics and controls. After that, spend some time in free play to practice your car control, aerials, and shots without pressure. Once you feel comfortable, you can join an online match to play against other players. Remember, practice makes perfect, so have fun and keep improving your skills.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.